Here's the box, and of course we got another box inside there. Let's open that up first. We've got a protective case here, and then inside we've got cables, multiple cables for phone and whatnot, a couple lavaliers, and then of course the wind connectors. Next up is we've got the instruction manual. Let's go ahead and put that in. We got some stickers, and there's the instructions. So here's the main unit. This is everything you got here. And let's go ahead and open this up. On the front, we have the button to push it. We've got 2 receivers and 1 transmitter. On the front, we've got battery indicator and, of course, a special connect switch. Nothing on the side. This is a 1.5 amp 5 volt USB-C on the back for charging. And then, of course, the button to open it up. Now, like I said, we have 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. We'll start with the receiver. It's really simple. On the top, we have headphone jack. We have a line out jack, so you can set it to camera and listen to what's going on. On the side, we have the mute switch and, of course, a QR code to pair things with. We got a volume up, volume down in the settings, and, of course, USB-C for the charging. And because we charge the receiver, not the transmitters. We turn it on, and that's what it looks like with it turned on. The transmitters don't have this type of display, by the way. So let's go ahead and put that back in the case. We're going to do one of the transmitters here. So as you can see, that's the basic transmitter. It's got a cable for a lavalier, and then, of course, the microphone. We can take one of the Wind mics and plug it on. You could actually use this as a handheld microphone if you wanted to, and go from there. So let's pop that off. Let's go ahead and put the lavalier on. 3.5 millimeter stereo jack type lavalier. So that plugs in easily, and then you can clip it onto your belt or whatever. On the side here, we do have the toggle switch for recording. We also have the mute button from there. You can mute it from both sides. On the other side, we have a volume and a settings. And then, of course, the USB-C, which allows you to then connect it to the computer so you can transfer the files. You'll see no display except for the 2 LEDs. You have a blue LED and a red LED. Blue, basically no red LED means that it's not recording, but the blue LED means that it's connected to the receiver, as you can see right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.